As 2025 slowly comes to a close, 2025 was the worst and best year of my life. It was the worst and best year of life, man. Since I got hit, it's been the best thing that happened to me. And I only say that from the bottom of my heart. Since I got hit, that was like a wake-up call I needed to put me in the trajectory I'm going right now, man. Like, 2025 was the worst and best year of my life. And I can laugh about it. Got the shit knocked out. You got the Sonic coins knocked out of me, man. Like, shit. Like, yeah. But the comeback. Close to the God. Close to the family. Be with my content. Like, I'm growing in that phase. I'm just growing. Overall, my whole life is growing. All coming from February 7th. The worst and best day of my life. February 7th. Thank you, God, for everything. And the drops this week, you're going to see the growth. B-Vibe is the wave. 2025 and beyond. The blessings from above. The talent from above. It's all from God. God got me. You see how he got me? You see it. The content speaks for itself. It speaks for itself. Busy getting busy, Mr. Good Vibes, Life Stream, you name it. B-Strips, I'm going to have you on B-Strips too next year. How you cope with life? Content therapy.